last thing I had to tell you about, also from the Showking Booster Club, asked me to let you know we've had a lot of questions about the teddy bear that's out there on the television. They sell recital bears. They look like a little Build-A-Bear. If you haven't seen this year's demos out there on the table, they are $26.95 in a little outfit that says Heartbeats Music and Dance and has your daughter's name on the outfit. They're all embroidered. You can grab the bear. Grab the bear. Are out there. They said to ignore the brochure because I guess it has a bad date on it, and pay attention to this one. They're due by May the 4th. So if you're interested in getting a recital bear, on the bulletin board right to the left of us when you walk out of here, there are order forms, and you just fill it out, put your check with it, and put it back in the envelope, and then they'll order this for your child. And I forgot to ask Debbie when they come in, but I believe they come in shortly before recital. So they'll have those as well.